Welcome to day 6 of our advanced JavaScript backend mastery. So today we will discuss middlewares theoretically. Okay, so let's get started. This is the client and this is the server. Now once the client makes a GET request, the data will eventually come to the client. Now what is the role of a middleware? The role of middleware is very simple. It just acts like a middleman. So now when the client makes a request, first of all goes to the middleware. And once the middleware proceeds this request, checks whether the user is authorized or not. And in other cases, we can add many other conditions there as well. Once the middleware checks whether the client is authorized or not, it will then send the request to the server, and now the server will respond here. This is the role of a middleware. Now we can have multiple middlewares as well. For example, when a client makes a request, the first middleware will check whether the client is eligible or not, and the second middleware will check what is the gender of the client and stuff like that. It can be anything. So now once the middleware proceeds these requests, only then the server will respond with the data. And for example, the user is not authorized, the middleware will just respond back to the client that you are not authorized. Okay. Now the most common example would be a task management system where only the admin can make changes to the task. So if you as a random user try to make any changes, the middleware will just stop you. If we go to the Express official website, it tells us that middlewares are functions that have access to request and response objects and next middleware. So now what is a next middleware? It's just a function that helps proceeds the request to the next middleware or the server. We will discuss about it later on when we make a custom middleware. In the next part, we will see how it works with the code. So see you then.